Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new album to share with you. Altered in the 2018 Christmas papers by Graphic 45. It measures 9.5 tall by 7.5 wide and 3 inches deep. So it has a nice deep spine on it, decorated with one of the stickers and some crisscross ribbon and a little bow. And then on the back we've got a little sticker from the collection just to decorate it. And then on the front I've combined the patterns and solids, 12 by 12 papers, the ephemera cards and the stickers, and some die cut numbers just to create that layered look to start off the scene for the album. And then inside, it's a file folder album, so there are lots and lots of places to put your Christmas pictures, and when you look at the album you can see that there is lots and lots of room to add them in as well, so it's not over full before you start adding all of the things that you've made the album for. So taking you on the journey through the pages, the inside cover, I've taken the 12 by 12 picture from the signature sheet of paper from the collection and just created that lovely scene with a deep pocket for you to add photos, photo mats or other things, ephemera that you might want to keep. And then we have got 6 pages each with a file folder in, so there really is lots of surface area for you to add your pictures into. So this one has a fold down flap with a magnetic closure, and then room for pictures at the top on the fold down section, and a little pocket here to pop things in. I've just popped a tag in there, but you could put anything in. And then I've just used one of the stickers and the ephemera card to decorate the front of that page. The file folder that slips inside page 1 has got a little tag in the top pocket, a fold up section for you to add pictures or little ephemera pieces if you want to. So you can slide things in there too. And then a pocket on the inside, nice surface on the front and back of that large section to pop your pictures onto. And that just slips inside page number 1. And then flipping over, there's a lovely ephemera card setting the scene for this page, and 2 fold out sections and a larger one in the centre for your elements. And then on this side I've used the ephemera card to create a pocket with a slide out photo mat ready to add pictures onto. That just slips back into the pocket. And then the file folder for this one, the pages alternate in sizes as well, so the file folder is slightly smaller, a little tag that slips into the top pocket there, and another fold up area for smaller pictures and ephemera. And then a pocket on the inside and 2 nice surfaces for your photos, whatever the size. Oops. And that one just slides in between the page there. The album also features my new signature spine system, so you'll see that the pages are lying really nicely and flat in the album rather than all layering up as you work through it. So they all sit as flat as they can with the elements that you add to them. So this page section has got a nice pop-up pocket, an area on the top for the photos, a photo mat in the deep pocket, and then just a little journaling spot down here. You might want to add details about what's on the page, and it closes with a magnet. And this side it folds down. So a nice Christmas magic ephemera card. Lots of room to add your glitters and sparkly bits in this album too. Got a little sticker embellishment at the bottom here and a photo mat in the pocket. But again, 2 more areas to add your photos. And then the file folder for this page has got a pull-out photo mat, so a little pocket on the front. Let's just slide that back in. And then it's a pocket photo mat for you to pop in whatever you want, and then room on the back for a photo if you wanted to add something. And then that one just slots back in there, and they've all got the tabs on them so that you can pull them out really easily. The centre pages have got nice photo frames for you to add your pictures, and you just slide your picture in under the acetate from the outside, and then they both lift up, and again you've got more area for your ephemera and pictures underneath. And we've got the patterns and solids in there coordinating with the check paper and the holly, and both with magnetic closures. I love that. And then the next file folder has got a little photo mat on the front, just a little square one, and then a pocket for you to add your bits and pieces into, and then a nice plain area on the back for photos, and that one just slides in there like that. And then we've got the lovely little elves, children, with their presents on the front of this fold down section. More room for your pictures, photo mats, or whatever you want to add into the pocket. And again, lots of opportunity to really pick out the detail on the ephemera card, and a little sticker at the bottom. And this one we've got the little children again, or the babies with the presents, and a nice pop-up pocket with a photo mat in it. I love these papers. And a magnetic closure. And another file folder with room to put I do 6 1/8 by 4 1/8 photo mat into this little pocket, again with the babies on, or the children with the presents. And then this one opens, so 2 surfaces there to put pictures on, and one on the back in the coordinating green. And that one just slides in there. And then I've gone back to the green and red. It doesn't matter which way you look at the album, the colours blend beautifully, as they always do with Graphic 45 paper. So we've got another little pocket made out of the ephemera card here, with a slide out photo mat. And then on this side we've got the fold out section again, so areas for 2 pictures and maybe 2 more that way, and of course on here as well. And a little ephemera card with a tag in the pocket. You may want to just write about what's in the page. And the last of the photo mats has got the Ho 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 ephemera card here with Father Christmas and the Cupid. A nice little tag that sits in the pocket, and then 3 areas for pictures. And it just drops in there. And then the last page has got a pull down pocket with a photo mat in and a magnetic closure, and then a deep pocket on the inside cover, the photo mat or a pocket behind the ephemera cards, 2 photo mats in the deep pocket, and then 4 areas to put your pictures as well. So as you can see, loads and loads of room in this album to really make a memorable 2018 festive keepsake. The PDF includes a couple of videos on how to build the album, make the pages, add them in, cut the file tabs, and do all sorts of bits and pieces. And then there are written instructions on how to cut the papers to decorate the album, from the outside cover all the way through to the back cover. And the PDF instructions also include the cutting guide for the papers that go with the coordinating box for this album. So the box dimensions are not given in the instructions, but the album cover dimensions are. And this is a lovely deep box made out of MDF, so it's very sturdy, and the album fits inside it perfectly. They were designed to work together. So together the 2 elements make a really lovely keepsake. You can see a nice deep box. You could always make the box as a separate item and use it as a gift box or an advent box if you wanted to. I've decorated it in the papers and used one of the ephemera cards under acetate here just to add a little bit of a dimensional top to the box. And then other products that I've used are my signature black construction tape. The album, because of its style, takes 2 packs of black card, A4 card, so that's 45 sheets used to make the album. And then we do have the MDF kit for the box and the MDF album covers. Now, I don't know whether you've made albums in the past from with chipboard covers that have dipped, but if you use MDF covers, your albums will stay perfectly flat no matter what you've got inside them. So a really good sturdy MDF album cover set is available along with the box, and I'll put links to all of the products under the video. So I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of my latest Christmas album. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.